welcome back. It's been a little while. We're in Sri Lanka and I felt like recording my day, so that's what we're doing. We are in Hatton to a tea tree farm. It's, I forget what leaf, Ceylon? Ceylon? I think that's right. And the bag explodes. If I have my own room, I just let it do its thing. The plan for now is to get food. I'm gonna get food, money out, figure out what time the train gets here, because we're doing the most scenic train trip in Sri Lanka. So I kind of lied to you. I'm not going anywhere yet. We are gonna pack this all up because I check out in an hour and I don't want to be rushed. So I guess, look at that. Power of editing right there. That took like 15 minutes. But packed, and I need to put these in here. But yeah, we can go get food. My calves are so sore. I went up Adam's Peak yesterday. I'll roll some clips. But it was really hard, and I am scared. ATMs didn't work, so we don't have a lot of money, but food. We need food. And that's what we're looking for. There is a few places. Maybe a bakery. Maybe. Breakfast has been secured. We ended up getting a jam bun. So, see how it is. It costs 60 rupees, which is like, what's that? Like 30 cents? That's a jam bun. Just sugar and bread. Well, I didn't even know I had breakfast included, but they gave me roti and some tea. Really nice. I've got 30 minutes now to get to the train station and jump on the train, but I think it's like a 10-minute walk, so bringing all the heavy stuff. And it's hot as heck right now. My god, man. Ticket has been acquired. That took like 30 minutes.
நீங்க போங்க நான் பாத்துக்கிறேன் நீங்க போங்க நான் பாத்துக்கிறேன் இது ஓய் அண்ட்
After like 5 hours of traveling, we have made it to Ella, and it's got a mood. It's really nice though, and I'm trying to figure out how to get out of the train station. We have found the gap. That's how we got out. Jump the fence, or go in between the cracks in the fence. Not going to lie, that was probably the most beautiful train ride I've ever experienced. That was so cool. You just saw like the rugged landscape, waterfalls, tea plants, strawberry farms, mountains. It was so cool. But we got like a 15-minute walk, 10-minute walk up here. Just tea hills for forever, really. Oh, let's get off the road before we die. Yep, almost died. This is my nightmare. A party hostel. I didn't know it was a party hostel. No. That's what we got, baby. Kotu, chicken kotu, I think. I don't know. It's